Maybe you feel an exhaustion that goes beyond the physical, that rests in the very marrow of your bones. I'm Rhea Rivers. Subscribe to this space whenever you need to quiet the noise and give yourself permission to truly stop. Take a slow, intentional breath in, and let a soft sigh carry the weight away. Imagine you are standing at the edge of an ancient silver forest at twilight. The trees here are immense, their roots reaching deep into a soil that hasn't been disturbed for 1,000 years. The air smells of damp moss and moonlight. This is the forest of the great undoing. Here, the only requirement is to stop. For so long, your nervous system has been acting like a sentry at a gate, scanning the horizon for problems to fix, people to please, or fires to put out. You have mistaken your hypervigilance for responsibility. But your cortisol is meant for moments, not for lifetimes. Tonight, we are telling your adrenal glands that the hunt is over. Let's signal safety to your brain now through a physiological sigh. This resets the carbon dioxide levels in your blood and tells your heart the emergency is a ghost. Breathe in deeply through your nose. And at the peak, take a quick, sharp second inhale to fully expand the lungs. Now, let out a very long breath of air through your mouth, as if you are deflating into the soft forest floor. Let's do that again. Deep inhale. Second tiny sip of air. And a slow sinking exhale, feeling your shoulders drop away from your ears. One last time. Breathe in, fill the space, and let the world go with the breath. Notice how the silver trees seem to lean in, sheltering you as you soften. Now we will awaken the vagus nerve, your body's bridge to the rest and digest state. As you stand among the trees, imagine a deep, low frequency humming from the earth itself. On your next exhale, make a low sound in the back of your throat, feeling the vibration buzz against your lips and teeth. Inhale, and hum the tension out of your chest. That vibration is a physical, all-clear signal. It bypasses your thinking mind and talks directly to your organs, telling them it is safe to heal. Repeat softly in your mind. I release the addiction to being needed, because I am worthy of existing even when I am providing nothing to anyone else. I forgive my body for its anxiety, realizing it was never broken, it was simply trying to survive a pace it was never meant to run. Step forward now toward a large hollowed-out cedar tree. Inside, it is lined with velvet soft moss and glowing with the dim amber light of bioluminescent lanterns. This is your cocoon. Inside this space, fixing is a foreign language you no longer speak. The problems of the world stop at the bark of this tree. Lie back into the moss. The cortisol is beginning to drain away like water into the sand. Your nervous system is recalibrating to the frequency of the earth. Inhale the scent of cedar and safety, and exhale the pressure to be on. Repeat quietly. I stop apologizing for my boundaries, because my peace is the foundation upon which every other part of my life is built. I release the fear of falling behind, because I am exactly where I need to be, returning to my own center. Notice your hands. Uncurl the fingers. They have spent the day gripping, typing, holding. Now they are empty and light. Your chest. Let it broaden and sink. No need to armor your heart. The guard has been dismissed. Your tongue. Dropping away from the roof of your mouth, letting the muscles of the face melt like wax. Your scalp. Releasing its hold, allowing the forehead to become smooth and cool. Inhale the silence, and exhale the noise of expectations. The amber light in the cocoon grows dimmer. The forest outside is breathing with you. Repeat gently. I surrender the need to know how it will all work out. Because my only job right now is to trust the wisdom of my body's repair. I am allowed to be offline, because my spirit is not a machine that requires a constant connection to the world. The silver forest is now draped in a velvet fog. The trees don't struggle to grow. They just reach. You are part of this natural rhythm. A slow breath in, and a longer, slower breath out. Your nervous system is no longer a wire under tension, but a river flowing toward the sea. The need to be perfect evaporates in the warmth of the moss. Repeat softly. I step out of the cycle of performance, because my existence is not a theater, and I have no audience to impress tonight. I trust the gravity of sleep, knowing that when I let go, I am not falling, I am being caught. The amber light is nearly gone now. Only the faintest glow remains. The air is thick with the healing medicine of rest. Inhale the stillness, and exhale the identity of the doer. And you sink deeper into the moss, into the dark. You are not your accomplishments tonight. You are the forest, ancient and deeply at rest. Let yourself drift here, where the not enough voice is just a whisper in the wind, and your soul can finally hear its own song. The silver trees will guard your sleep. The ancient earth will bear your burdens. Repeat softly, I am laying down the heavy shield of coping, because I am safe enough now to be soft and vulnerable. I am reclaiming my vitality, not for use but for the joy of simply feeling alive. Slow breath in, and a very slow breath out. The story is over. The healing has begun. Repeat quietly, I release the logic of the light and embrace the deep cellular magic of the night. I am simply here. I am simply sleep. Let go. Deeper. Sleep now.